Welcome back, everybody. What is today? The day is the 1st, June 1. Holy crap. My voice is, it's a little bit wasted still. My lovely wife and I, we went to Dirk Bentley Zach Top concert, and had a good time. And my voice kind of reflects it right now. Dang, that place is busy. Oh, they got like a little creek thing going on right there. Huh. I don't know if you guys saw that. It was kind of like a, what are those usually like in a swimming pool? You have your swimming pool, then you have that other little, like, you can grab your inner tube, you sit in it. I love those things. I don't even know what their names are. But yeah, once again, we are on the River Road. Yeah, I have not been able to get out and explore other roads yet. And every time I do this road, I do it backwards from what I want to do. Rock and roll. That's where it ends. Oh. I think the river is high. Oh, there's a turtle. See the turtle? Oh, there's the baby turtles. Baby turtles, big turtles, baby turtles. Yeah, we are definitely got more water coming down through here than normal. It's been raining in Texas, people. We have gotten many flash flood things going on. It's silly. I've never quite experienced it here. So we'll get boring here really quick. The ground where I live in this part of Texas is this weird clay, and what happens is when it gets wet, it expands more than most, but then when it dries, it shrinks, it pulls in way more than the other clays. So then what happens is foundations crack, roads heave, but then also when it rains, the water cannot get into the ground and it runs off, and you get these flash floods. In fact, like, it can rain and not rain a lot, and then in just a handful of days I can be going to mow the grass or just walk through the backyard and it's spongy, and then you walk on the porch and you leave wet footprints. That's how weird this soil is here. So it's silly. Like yesterday, we were coming back from an event, and it started raining. Yes, it was heavy rain. I didn't even have my wipers on high. Yes, I used Rain-X on the windshield. I had them on low. So yes, it was a lot of rain, but it wasn't like, oh my goodness, I need to stop. I can't see. And beside us, running down the hill, was a foot of water, just because it does not sink into the ground. It was crazy. That's what I've never seen before, just where it just cannot sink into the ground. Just so you know, police have been reported ahead. These people, man, they just like go out there with their little canopies and their seats and their coolers, and they just like sit in the river. Never seen anything like that before either. And the main purpose of this ride is, number one, to get a ride in. Oh yeah, look at that right there. I don't even know what speed limit is. I think I'm going good enough. Yes, to get a ride in. I want to ride. I'm gonna go explore after I leave this road, see if I can find another road I can just enjoy besides the river road all the time. But I have my new Insta360 Ace 2 Pro XY LMQ China Special. I've been having some issues with my GoPro to where sometimes it just doesn't pick up stuff. Like, it won't pick up my voice, or it just didn't like something and it won't record, or it gets hot and it shuts down. So we are trying to do an upgrade on the camera that's mounted on my chin. So my last ride I brought it out, and for whatever reason it pretty much recorded in black and white. It's not the camera's fault, it's definitely my fault for recording in black and white. So what I do is I take it out a couple times and just mount it somewhere, let it do its thing, and then when I get home I can review it. And then what I'll do is I'll throw it on my chin and I'll just buzz around the neighborhood a couple times to make sure the angle's right. Slow down. It's yelling, saying you slow down now. Walking upriver. Make sure no cars are coming. But yeah, what a pretty river this is. Ready, set. As we spun the back tire. Nice Harley. You got some tunes on. Oh no, not this guy. And why I say that is I followed him in, and there was a line of cars. Like a line. Like I pulled off the side. Okay, I was behind them, right? We're all in this line of cars. I pull off to the side of the road. I get off, get the camera out of the front, get it mounted on the control arm, got on my Spyder, waited for cars to come by, right? Hey, but I've never had a bicyclist do that before. That was cute, that was cute. Get in the Spyder, stop at the water crossing, and I still caught up with the person, and I'm not like, the speed limit I think is 30-35 miles per hour, except when you come into these tight turns and you go around these blind corners, they want you to slow down to 20. Yeah, so they are putting. There's a ton of turtles in this river. You can't see, but there's some more turtles. Where is that waterfall? Hey, what's going on there, buddy? All right. Got him a big old yellow low motorcycle. It's a low. I think we already passed it. No, that's it right here. Is there any water coming down through there? Nope. I would stay there. Oh, I would so stay there. Weed whack me a path down to the river. I'd be one of like these locals and just be a chillin'. I am glad to see that the river is actually flowing more. Like I said, we've had a ton of rain. All these campsites are just wonderful. If I knew my body would let me sleep on the ground, or even on some type of foam pad or air mattress, or you know, anything like that, yeah, I would definitely. And then it goes down to if I could stay cool enough. So my body runs at a pretty high temperature. I like a lot of air on me. I like it, a lot of cool air. You should just ask my wife. She will tell you. I freeze her out. Now open. Oh, they changed their name. It's not the koozie anymore. It's the tan turtle or something. Turtle from the river. I get it. Tan because we're in Texas. And it is hot, people. So, I mean, I would have to have a decent tent, right? Have something decent to sleep on. Have one of those portable AC units. See, and right here, it's just going bad. So you might as well just get a small toy hauler, right? Throw your Spyder in the toy hauler. Go camp somewhere. If you want to call it camping, call it glamping. I don't care what you call it. Don't care what you call it. Slingshot. What's going on there, buddy? See, I don't know in Texas if I would own a Slingshot. I was talking to my wife about this. You know, it's a $30,000 machine, right? You're kind of exposed. They got the radio on. I thought I heard music. We'll back up. YouTube likes to copy strike right me now. So you don't have air conditioning, so you're just out in the elements, but not really in the element. Yeah, I don't know. I see how they would be fun, like a little go-kart. But then again, I don't know. I think if they had air conditioning and you could throw like a decent top on it, you know, and you can stay cool. Poor squirrel. A lot of bikes out today. What's going on there, buddy? Oh, look at the old S10 Blazer. Two-door at that. Pretty righteous machine. See, slow down. It's yelling at us. Oh, scared me. Blum, 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 blum. Beautiful river. Gorgeous. Oh, this will be a perfect place. I think I'm going to end it here and I'm going to listen to me some music and go chase down me some motorcycles. Sounds kind of fun, right? So if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road. Here comes the music.